Good morning, Maple Classroom. I wanted to make a video for you so we could explore how plants give off moisture. So when we learned about the leaf and its function as a food factory, we also discovered that leaves take carbon dioxide from the air, separate it, and then they expel oxygen back into the air, which is great for us because we humans and mammals use oxygen to breathe. Now, what we did is we took a leafy plant and I put a plastic bag over it, tied it nice and tight, and I left it in a nice warm sunny spot in my house for about, well, at this point, it's been less than 24 hours. I started with a totally dry bag. So now I want to show you what it looks like. Can you see the droplets of water in the bag? How did it get there? That's very interesting. There is so much water vapor inside of this bag, and we only covered up the leaves, so it must be coming from the leaves. But how? I don't see any leaves with holes in them. Actually, the leaves do have holes. They're microscopic. That means they're really, really, really small. Let's see how much water came out of these microscopic holes. So I tied the bag nice and tight, but you can also use your string to tighten the bottom of it. I'm going to try to collect the water very carefully on one side here. Whoa. What? So I'm going to see if I can get all of this water to go into one corner of our bag so we can get an idea of how much water this plant gave off over the course of, let's say, maybe 20 hours or so. I'm going to pour it into my cup. Just this little houseplant in less than 24 hours gave off this much water. How interesting. Now, if a little houseplant like this could give off this much water, imagine what all the trees in your backyard give off. Imagine how much water an entire rainforest gives off. Wow, that is really cool. And this little plant now is covered in all these little droplets. Looks pretty happy.